Kulish buni fibro jimutip namta kubor Laitkam te kadon kawe kam kabalat kabade jong ka front office coordinator hapo office jong of district legal service authority kabade hapo is Jaintia Krian walk in interview kane kade beka direct interview te sakan mau lagi bukwa banlej phap lej biha katu kasngi walk interview application are invited for eligible from eligible and interested candidate who are citizen of India to appear for the walk in interview scheduled to be held on the 16th of December. December arjar fly in the office of the District Legal Service Authority is Jaintia Hill District Clearian. Kemau kade Clearian kane office District Legal Service Authority for the following post on purely contractual basis. Kade contractual mo for a period of 1 year as per criteria mentioned below. Te kane kade jong ka front office coordinator tang kawai ka post kawai kan si kawai ka tulop kalong ar pendru hajar sanspa shibanai dan minimum qualification kede long bachelor degree from any recognized university bachelor degree ngudba any kano ka degree ba piladam BSc BA BCom BTech kino baro kipidang baik tambah pidi bandan badai ka diploma in computer application phap pass computer ro de ka diploma dai mo certificate course kade ka diploma in computer application from a registered institute having working knowledge in computer software like MS Office and internet extra tel ada diploma tengah try la tip hi kita baro the age as per existing government rules kumba long hi kam government hi kam tahi ke age limit kan dei kumju hi ka venue ka dei be hapo office of the district and session judge is Jaintia Hill Clearian ka date and time ka dei khandru tarik jong December sakan mau 23 from 10 am onwards po baje shanang te phaban poi kham kloi kata ka shpu baje khanang pandep ki registration bati baro ka responsibility mudba ka kam ka bay de berkane kita ki role and responsibility work profile mo documentation regarding legal age helplines advance render kita handling correspondence managing consultation between legal age seeker information legal age seeker ensuring maintaining calmness flow of information between legal service clinic and front office kini ba phya bandai ka kam ka badai bantre then general instruction bade nam ta ki bakwa ban apply at the time of interview the interested candidate are required to submit a fill in standard form ngot ba phya kamut ba phya pandap dak standard form kan mau ki bakwa apply kane duly fill along with self attested document phya pan biang rangkat bat ki self attested document baro ke bede kane katpus ban 2 passport size photograph. Candidate should also clearly mention their contact number and email ID for their communication purposes. Candidate should also bring the relevant original document mar bakade direct interview te phabra ro iki original document hakatugasngi. Person already in employment should bring NOC certificate kibra tre lupa khabra NOC not EDA non ITDA re ka by one the service of the front office coordinator so engaged may be extended for another period. Tenam ta service jongane mar kade system ka contract tegla ban extended biang HKWP kasnem after proving satisfactory performance and such extension shall be made after appropriate break of service taken sa extend biang bade kan extend back mo contract kamde ka ban kut kan extend back. The appointment will purely on contractual basis and the appointment cannot be claimed as a right for any benefit kita telah be contractual. The decision of District Legal Service Authority is Jaintia Hill Clearian as to the result of the work interview shall be final connect along final back. The result will be displayed in the official website. Kin sapni ye result hapo official website jongka district and station judge is Jaintia Hill Clearian www.clearian.dcodes.gov.in nam taka result mo dal adap interview kin sapni be ha kan deka website be nam taka result. Office District Legal Service Authority is reserved the right to cancel the work interview. Take connect office bede kadon ne right kaban cancel ye ka work interview at any stage of the recruitment process without assigning any date of claim dapat tip na ai kidon kata ka authority ban pen sange tek tu buku apply kan mau khandru tarik kapor ban interview semen biang dokumen ke baro dokwa ban lek salek hakatu kasngi nam ta kane kade direct interview ban tangi ne jeng tip kublesibun